There are different ways we modify the weather. Accidentally, jet contrails, power plants putting more water into the air, and then there's purposeful weather modification where we can go out and seed the clouds and try to increase rainfall or snowfall rates. It's still not practiced nationwide, and only in rare cases can we nudge Mother Nature into making more rain, more snow. When conditions are ripe, we can seed the clouds with a chemical called silver iodide. To get a raindrop, to get a snowflake, you need a nucleus, a little particle of dust or salt. And by seeding the clouds, we put more of these nuclei into the air, which can then form into raindrops, which coalesce, combine into big fat raindrops or snowflakes and eventually reach the ground. So we're literally fooling Mother Nature by providing additional particles of dust or chemicals that can eventually grow into snowflakes or raindrops and enhance the amount of precipitation, especially out west. The only place where they seed clouds is the Sierra Nevada of California. Sometimes with ice fog in Salt Lake City, you can seed the fog and actually cause the fog to dissipate. The countries that really produce the most in terms of cloud seeding on the other side of the planet, China, very active. They routinely not only seed the clouds with airplanes, they launch rockets to try to reduce the amount of hail. During the Olympics around Beijing, they seeded nearby clouds, hoping that the clouds would rain out before drifting into Beijing, maybe increasing the odds of dry weather for all the big Olympic events. Weather modification much more prevalent, China, India, portions of Asia. If we can enhance the snow even by 5%, maybe 10% on some days, that can add more snowpack and that can lead to more drinking water and water for agriculture. The risks of weather modification, unintended side effects. I mean, you just can't tinker with Mother Nature and not expect something to go wrong. If you seed the clouds over Salt Lake City and those clouds drift downwind and thunderstorms wind up producing flash flooding over the Central Plains, farmers would have a legal case that cloud seeding produced floods. So there are all kinds of legal implications, and that has slowed down weather modification in the United States. Tinkering with the atmosphere is not for the faint of heart. Every now and then we can give Mother Nature a gentle nudge, enhance rainfall, enhance snowfall. But anytime you go in and start messing with the atmosphere, you just don't know how it's going to wind up.